Current balance is $54, day 4. Um, and I told you that we implemented cryptos. Well, implemented cryptos into this account strategy growth from $1 to 1 million. We have a great opportunity here, as you see on this 4-hour time frame. 83K to 102. Multiple bullish confirmations. There's more green candlesticks than there are red candlesticks. Buy confirmation, shoulder, head, shoulder, inverted head and shoulders pattern with the of course, a double bottom you can see with a breakout and then pullback. So that looks pretty strong to me, in my opinion. And with the low risk on this account, of course, I could have dropped up 0.5. A 0.05. But like I said, I want to risk low and still gain a lot of money. This trade will probably be more than 30%. It's probably going to be different than all the other trades that I scalp. Because 83K, from 83K to 102 is literally $185. From 83K to 102 is 185. So with that being said, I will be maximizing the fuck out of this fucking signal. I'm going to continue to let this break out, and once we get, once we get to about here, and there's going to be room for a re-entry, that re-entry will most likely be at 0.05, and I will be holding it to at least 100,000. I would definitely like to make at least 1,000 off this trade. Like, it's the potential and the opportunity, even from this account size, is wild. Like, scaling on the pullbacks of this current bull run that's forming, is literally forming a bull run. The bull run has not started. So just off this right here, and looking at market structure, it's definitely going to reach, these highs. And as soon as it breaks this level here, there's going to be a change of structure. And of course, there's going to be a change of structure, a breakout, and then a pullback, and then it's going to continue to rise. So this is like a whole free signal that I'm giving out, which I don't care. If I'm on a roll to make 1 million, make some paper with me too, so it's real. So I'm not bullshitting. We got the 1 minute to the 2-hour bullish. We're just, like I said, we're waiting on the 4-hour to become fully bullish, and then that's for sure going to be green light. So this is the current profit right here. We're just, clearly we have the breakout, the first initial breakout. I was waiting in this trade for about an hour 30 for it to get in profit. An hour and 30 minutes waiting, because like I said, my trades be pretty precise. You see the entry is here, but personally, I do wish I got in around 82K. Around 82K, even though it's still a good entry. Got back in on a little retracement. My only thing is, I hope, which it most likely won't do it, but I don't want it to come back down here and then go up. I would like to just see it rise from here, honestly. But if I zoom out, I'm on the 15-minute right now. If I head to the 4-hour here, I'll just show you the income potential, profit potential. I probably got to zoom out on the daily for this one now. Each platform is different. Like, Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you see this, if you can see what I'm seeing, if you're a real trader, like the the fucking technical analysis, like it's I don't even use trend lines, but bro, you gotta be shitting me. You gotta be shitting me. This thing is going higher than 102. And I'll just show you just off of 0.01. I just told you 85 bucks. If I move this up, how much is that? 250? So yeah, I definitely should probably scale up for sure. That's 108. Hey bro, this is a definitely buy and hold. And I might just leave this running though. Even if we go into the next week without it even hitting TP, it'll most likely hit within a week. This is the daily chart, so give it about a week or two. Not even. Yeah, it just off the structure, and I'm sure this is divergence, dude. I'm sure right here is divergence on this daily. That's tough. So you gotta understand where I'm coming from with this one. This trade most likely will be more than the 30%, but worst case is like hold on wait. If we look here, this is and then this is the daily chart. I'm just marking stuff up, but that's definitely an FVG right there. So that would have been a really good entry level here. This candle is still a great entry level. Um, but yeah, that FVG, I just don't want to see a pullback to this level, which will piss me the fuck off. But yeah, regardless, this is I'm thinking I'm somewhat going to be margin trading this and then just scaling in on the pullbacks. So yeah, um, it's good to me personally. If you can't see what I see right here, then I don't know. This shit really don't get that much clearer. Super. You can see like me when I identify structure, I look for the FEGs, the pullbacks. This is an area where sniper entries occur, and then here will be considered the breakout of like the overall structure, because in a minute it's going to be a change of structure from the downtrend all the way to the uptrend. So it's definitely a great time to get your trades in. But yeah, I don't want to keep you all too long on this video. Just get ready for the next one. Thank you for watching.